So we went over steps of how to simplify fractions, but I did not show a lot of examples. I showed just one example. So I want to show more examples of how to simplify fractions. Also, it has positive numbers and negative numbers too. So let's go over the examples. So first thing, you have to find GCF of the numerator and the denominator. So you can use the factor table we did. So let's find factors of 6. You always have 1 and 6, the number itself, and then 2 times 3 makes 6. And you can also use your calculator if you are not sure if 2 is a factor of 6. You can divide 6 by 2 if you get a whole number, which is 3. Each a factor. Sometimes you will get decimal numbers. If you get a decimal number, that means the number you divide by is not a factor. For 8, 1 and 8, they are factors of 8. Also, 2 times 4 makes 8. You can try other numbers. If you try 8 divided by 3, it will give you a decimal. It's not a factor. If you try 5, 8 divided by 5, it will give you a decimal number. It's not a factor. So what is the GCF? We have a 1 and 2. These are common factors, but 2 is the greatest number, so 2 is the GCF. We are going to divide the numerator by 2, divide the denominator by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, 8 divided by 2 is 4. 3/4 is a simplified fraction of 6/8. 4/10, sorry, I don't know what this line is, I'm going to erase it. So 4/8, let's find factors of 4 and factors of 10, and then find the GCF. 1 times 4 makes 4, 2 times 2 is 4. For 10, 1 times 10 makes 10, 2 times 5 also makes 10. And another hint is if it ends with 0, it can be divided by 2 or 5. So GCF is 2 divided by 2 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, you have 6 and 24. What are the factors of 6? 1 and 6. 2 times 3 makes 6. 24. 1 times 24 is 24. 2 times 12 is also 24. We don't have space here. 3 times 8 is also 24. I'm sorry, I don't have space. I'm just going to write here. 4 times 6 also makes 24. So the GCF is 6. So divide by 6, divide by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 24 divided by 6 is 4. You have negative here, you need a negative here. Negative 1/4 is the simplified form of negative 6/24. 4 and 12, find factors. 4, you have 1, 2, 4. 12, you have 1 and 12. 2 times 6 and 3 times 4. GCF is 4. So divide by 4, divide by 4. 4 times 4 is 1. You have negative. It's negative 1 over 12 divided by 4 is 3. 14 and 16. Factors of 14. 1 and 14. 2 and 7. 16. 1 and 16. 2 and 8. Also 4 times 4 is 16. So GCF is 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. Numerator, denominator. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 16 divided by 2 is 8. You can use a calculator, but you have to use decimals. More examples. 4, we already know 1, 2, 4 is the factor. 6 is 1, 2, 3, 6. The GCF is 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. Negative 2 over 3. 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 1, 3, 9. GCF is 3. Divided by 3, divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. No negatives. So continue the problems, use your calculator, or look at the multiplication table or factor table. You have to divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. If you have a negative sign, your answer will also have negative sign.